a6500 in San Antonio. I've been on the road since about 6 a.m. and it's a little after 7 o'clock right now. I'm going to meet the guy, and he's a I guess a videographer getting out of the business. He's giving me a really good deal on it. That's why I'm traveling down there to get it. He seems like a really cool guy as well, so I'm really thankful for him cutting me the deal, and I'm really excited to get another a6500. The a6500 is probably my favorite camera, and Sony's killing it in the video market right now. It's got in-body image stabilization, it shoots 4K. I even think it shoots in 5.2K and then downsamples down to 4K. I forget whether that's true or not. I think it is, but don't quote me on it. But overall, it's been my favorite camera, and I'm looking to move into either the Sony S or the A7S or the A7R eventually, but that's a little bit above my price range. So sticking with the a6500, and so far I've had nothing but good experiences with it. So since I'm in San Antonio and I just got a Ronin-s, I want to show you guys one of the coolest spots in San Antonio in my opinion, which is the San Antonio River Walk. So we're going to show you that today. In case you guys haven't been aware of the situation, that Ronin-s has been unavailable for a very long time. I believe it started out exclusively as a B&H product. You can order it there only, but it has since been released to other stores. The DJI website has been out of stock for a long time. I put my email in there to get notified of new stock, and I haven't gotten any emails from them. I also have been keeping an eye on other sites, and the only sites that seem to ever get it in stock that I've noticed is Best Buy. So I've been watching them like a hawk, and for about a week I was trying to actually order one, and every time that it would get in stock I would go to order one, and as soon as I got to the checkout page it'd say, hey, this item's no longer available. So I was trying that for probably about a week, and 5 times it happened, and I was getting very frustrated. But the 6th time, I finally added it to my cart. I chose the pickup store. I checked out in enough time, and I just got it yesterday. So I actually wasn't planning on getting the a6500 today. I just found out on one of these sale apps, and I was talking to the guy. I was planning on doing the unboxing video this morning, and including that with some other footage that I hadn't chose yet. But I think I like this instead. One, because unboxing videos seem to be too cliche and overdone right now, but also because, man, in my opinion, that the San Antonio Riverwalk is beautiful. So I'm happy to show it to you guys and exercise the Ronin-s at the same time as well. I'm riding solo, so I'm hoping to get some footage of me using the Ronin-s, as well as just footage from the Ronin-s, so you can kind of see what it's like and everything. But I guess you'll see in just a few seconds whether or not that happens. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. Feel free to leave comments below on what you think of the footage today and the Ronin-s. I'm curious to hear what you think. I'll be doing some more videos on the Ronin-s and also the Ronin-m, and probably even comparing the two. And then also I want to do a video on the Ronin-m and if it's still worth it to buy it today. So far I'm not too impressed with the Ronin-s's ability to sync up with Sony cameras, but I'll touch on that more later. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like the video, and I hope to see you guys soon.